Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome to PowerGo channel. Today we're going to talk about my 2017 Honda Civic Si, how I got it and what did it cost. So everything started in 2021, early 2021, when I decided to change my current at the time 2005 Honda Civic Si. I decided to import it from America as it seemed to be cheaper than buying it in local market in Europe. Uh, so I just stuck with my plan and I had a 6,000 USD budget for car only without shipping and taxes. I was choosing from basically three cars. It was Honda Civic Si from 2017. It was Mark II brain freeze Focus ST Mark III and third generation Subaru VRX. After looking over 3 months, I finally bought this bad boy. Okay, it was run and drive, which was a good sign. It had some side accident, bent rear fender, and some front damage. I won this auction with 4,500 USD bid, but seller only sold it for 6,000. But I still took it. Oh yeah, I was buying it via middleman company, so the only thing I had to do is to choose car, and everything else they would take the car, including buying, shipping, and taxes. So for car, taxes in America, middleman cost, and shipping to Lithuania cost me 8,433 USD. Rest I will calculate for car in euro because it's what I paid in. Exchange rate at the time was a 1.186 USD for 1 euro. Shipping car took like 3 months. I bought car in March 16th and car arrived at my door on June 10th. Additionally, I had to pay taxes in Lithuania and shipping to my door another 2,100 euro. But finally I have it at my door. After assessing the damage, I quickly bought all necessary parts. Spent 200 euro on whole rear suspension, which was a bargain at the time. I bought a black front grille with H emblem for another 50. Had to replace front wheel because it was really scuffed up, 140 euros. I also needed to buy front left lower control arm because wheel was not looking straight, 120 euros. After this I went online and bought front end parts, bumper, left bumper holder, fender with holder, front fender lining, and bumper left side mesh grill thing. I don't know how it's called. This was 340 euros. After all parts came in, I have changed the rear suspension, changed front left control arm, and put on front parts. And went for a wheel alignment, 35 euros. After this, I had asked one guy to fix my rear fender and paint all the new parts, for which I had to wait like 2 weeks. When he finally took my car, I took a liberty and upgraded my intercooler with the bigger TurboWorks intercooler while car was without front bumper. Car was in the shop for like a month because that guy was having multiple cars at the same time, so he was taking his time really. During the time at the shop I had to buy a rear fender lining because it was missing. I didn't catch it. Another 200 euros. Moving forward, fixing car at his shop cost me like 1k euros and a good bottle of scotch. Finally came time to register my car, and one thing I did not really knew was alignment certificate. So first time I did alignment I did not get any certificate. That meant I had to go to another shop and their certificated alignment, which cost me 50 euros. After this, it was really a breeze to do a registration. I passed like emissions, everything really, and it cost me another 600 euros. So yeah, in total, it cost me like 11,945 euros. Is it too much? It's up for you to decide, really. For me, I love the car, and it's worth it, really. I love the whole process of importing and fixing stuff all by myself. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you watched it all the way through, please consider leaving a like as it helps me a lot. Thank you and goodbye.